Hey! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, yeah.
Hey, so this is not a classic 10 Swedish words, obviously, because well, from the looks of it, it's not a classic 10 Swedish words. This is sort of a real talk. I've been thinking a lot about this segment for quite a while now, the edutainment language segment of this channel, which has been 10 Swedish words and language challenges and sometimes something else, which wasn't actually meant to be a staying power thing on this channel. It was just meant as a fun thing that I did once, you know, almost apologizing for doing it, and then people really liked it, and I kind of liked it back then. But I don't know really know, to be honest, where I want to be with that right now, because I've done obviously a lot of 10 Swedish words videos, and it's getting harder and harder to find like the original content that's still entertaining for people to watch. And I mean, obviously, if I make a video about possessive pronouns, you know, some people every now and then will think that's valuable to learn. But I mean, I also want this channel to be alive right now. What I do with the Good Talk series, I love that. I really love that because it engages people, and there are instant responses, and there are people responding long after the video has been posted, and it's a format I really enjoy. But I don't want the channel to be all like depressing and too much realness, because, you know, I am both that, but also, you know, the outgoing. Yes, that's exactly what I am. I just defined my whole life, or part of it. But I need to know from you guys what you're interested in, because I mean, compared to many other people, I'm not really that interested in views. I mean, it gives me an indication of whether something works or people find it, at least. But I want to create things that engages people. I've always said that comments weigh much higher than views for me, and that's very true, because what's the point of just screaming out into a crowd where everyone hears me if I don't have anything to say and they don't have a reason to listen? So I want to hear from you people watching, the people that are interested in learning about Sweden and Swedish culture and stuff like that. What do you want? That's being frank. I mean, really, what would you like to see? What kind of material can I do that would engage you in that sense? Which also, of course, engages me, because, you know, I've always really only ever done things that I thought was interesting, because as soon as I don't find it interesting anymore, what's the point of doing it? I mean, really. So I want to hear from you people what you think. Language challenges, I still think those are fun to do, although I don't like go around chasing after a tourist as much anymore. These days there are more like people who know what I am, who know my channel. They contact me and say, well, could we do a language challenge? And I say, fine, cool, because then it's another kind of creation, another kind of production. But I really want to hear from you people concerning these topics. What would you like to see? What gets you excited when it comes to this channel? Because obviously I could say all the things I say to that wall, but I guess it's more fun if people listen, and if people want to listen. So let me know in the comments. I really appreciate that, because it has to be a back and forth, otherwise it's just me talking to a wall. So let me know what you think, and sorry for not teaching you all the words today. I'll teach you one word. I have en fråga, a question. So it's up to you.